This is a review for the CPD accredited photography course. This course has been created by Jasmine. This is a course where she teaches you how to become a photographer, how to take good pictures, and who is it for. You can launch your photography career using this course. Getting training from a certified instructor is very useful. You can use this the course completion certificate on your resume and in LinkedIn, and it is a valid certificate which will help you get new jobs. If you're a blogger, this is particularly useful because you can take blogging pictures like this, and instead of paying for tons of money to the stocks photos, you can just take your own pictures. What if you know how to handle the camera, you know how to frame your shots, and how to get the best pictures for free? You can set up your photography business. You can use the photos for your blog, or your ebook you're launching or something like that, and you can also sell these photography pictures. Actually, if you upgrade to the full course, you will get where you can sell the pictures. How to do that, everything for is included as a bonus if you upgrade, and also you get the certification if where she will evaluate your work if you upgrade. So check into the upgrades. They are called the OTO, or they are called the one-time offer. When you try to purchase it, it should be shown only one time, so make sure you purchase that. So let's look. I have something for you. I have a bonus for you. I created a lead generation system specifically for photographers. This is the exact step-by-step plan I used for my freelance business. I've used for multiple home businesses which my husband and me have run from home and still continue to, and this is specifically for photographers, and it's actually a very high priced course which I'm giving away free. And let me show you the dashboard first. For when you log into the CPD Coda Academy, when you purchase the course, this is what you will get. You'll get into the dashboard, and it is in Teachable. Once you log in, you'll see different modules. These are different modules on the right hand side. First is the introduction, where the instructor introduces herself. Then they're starting with some fun, where she takes you through photography terminology. Then stepping into photography, it has 3 videos over around 9 minutes of videos, where she talks about areas of photography, what makes a good photographer, and the different types of camera. Then we actually start the course where you get to know your camera. In this module, you have numerous videos where you learn how to capture light, the features of your camera, how to unpack your camera, RAW versus JPEG. So then you have the demystifying the lenses, so you learn all about the lenses. Then the composition and the rule of thirds. So there's a lot of content. I just can't keep going through it. You just when you log into your dashboard, all this will be available. You can also go in for the OTO, or the one-time offer, and get accredited, get certified. So this is fabulous. Check the course, and let's look at my bonus. So I am giving you a lead generation work plan for photography. It's a 30-day step-by-step work plan, and I'm giving this for free if you purchase through my link. How to do that and all will be available in the description. Go to the website in the description and see how you can get it for free. So this is how the lead generation work plan for photographers is. So you'll have introduction, you'll have a daily work plan. So I have action items on what you can do day by day. So just check how you can get this all for free, and I will be linking that out below. So let's see you on the other side. Once you have purchased through my link, just send me an email, and I should help you get my bonus course for free. Thank you.